This video is regarding the CA Final Advanced Auditing and Professional Ethics related upcoming my new batch details. Like many students are asking upcoming Google Drive lectures related one. So what you're going to get? So first of all, the entire course duration is going to be for 130 hours. And we will give you 3 books. That's it. One concept book, which is colored smart notes. One question bank, which will also be discussed along with the class itself, and one MCQ booklet. So you're going to get 3 booklets, and this batch is of, we call it as edition 2025 recordings, because these are mainly applicable for May 25 and November 25 attempt. Even November 2024 students also can watch these recordings. You can enroll these recordings, and these recordings are nothing but the face-to-face class which I am going to conduct in Chennai. Okay, at the same face-to-face classes, we are going to record it, which is happening between 17th July to September 2024. So this entire face-to-face session, we are going to record it and offer it as Google Drive lectures who cannot afford face-to-face classes. So Google Drive lectures, so 1.5 will be there, 12 months validity will be there. And what you're going to get is one colored smart notes, and I will show you directly. You can download the latest materials from our website also. Open restofcma.com, open PDF resources, click on CF Final. You will get notes and videos. Just click on this. So you will see on the top, edition 2025 materials. So here you see, we have revised entire our smart notes. This itself is the notes which I am going to use from now on for my main classes as well as revision classes. So the same material we'll be using. This is 570 pages, complete comprehensive concept notes. Believe me, if you read from this particular material, you need not cover any other resource, any other question bank, nothing, no need to cover. However, for practice sake, you can see this, the format, we have completely changed the format, presentation, everything as per the latest trend which students are liking. And just a minute. Now we have question bank. You can see the question bank also very structurally arranged. So this is a comprehensive question bank. So where we cover illustrations from ICA, test your knowledge, RTP, MTP questions, and previous year questions. You know, not entire all past 20 attempts and all I will not cover. I picked up certain questions from past 7-8 attempts and then kept here, which I felt are value addition to the student. Like in the sense, okay, this is something newly tested. This is something differently tested from particular standard, that only. And you can see here, like from second chapter, in our book, second chapter is audit report. So from that, you can see illustrations and previous year questions. If you see previous year questions, MTP, RTP, we have given standard wise the questions. Under each standard, all the questions in the past examination, RTP, MTP can be covered. Same, ethics also you can see. Audit of banks. So for all the standards related, thing, we have given standard wise questions. So for all the chapters, you can find it. And even latest RTP MTP of May 2024 also, we just copy pasted here for your easy reference. Latest RTP in May 2024, RTP, May 2024, series 1 MTP, series 2 MTP. That's it. So if you are a November 24 students, if you solve this entire question bank and November 24 related MTP, RTP, that's more than enough. Then even MCQ book also we have given. So this is an MCQ book. This is an MCQ book, comprehensive MCQ booklet. Approximately 400 plus MCQs we covered, which are independent MCQs and case-based MCQs. So from various sources. So independent MCQs are of almost, I can say 100 plus MCQs were covered. MCQs from past RTPs, MTPs, straight away we have given November 22, May 23, which are relevant under new scheme, and integrated case scenarios. And in the old scheme also we have some case scenarios. That also we have kept here. Getting it? So whatever chapters that were continued related case scenarios we kept here. And now coming to the batch. So within this 130 hours, what I'm going to cover? Yes, of course, 100% of this entire notes we will be covering, which covers 100% of the ICS study material. We will also be covering this entire question bank. 100% of the question bank will be discussed in the classroom itself. And MCQ booklet also will be discussed as a part of this entire 130 hours. Probably with MCQ booklet, it might go to 135 to 140 hours, not more than that. So this is what we are going to cover in this entire particular session. So if you want to attend face to face, you can attend. You cannot attend face to face, you can take Google Drive lectures. So for enrolling, you can directly enroll it on our website. or if you're still having any queries, you can reach me on WhatsApp 9700273087. This is the WhatsApp number. You can reach here. Our team members will reply you on a time, very shortly. That's it. So these are the batch details I want to give you. This time, this edition 2025 recordings which I'm going to do, I am going to do even much more simplest way, in much more even like what the duration of the class we are reducing without compromising on the quality of the content. That's it. So take a wise decision. Do well. All the very best.